something. Telling me you got it, you must be doing nothing. Bragging every day around you, people know you from it. Telling me you must be ridiculous.
So today we're off to Donington Park for our first track day since we've fitted our new turbo and intercooler. Be good to give the car a good test. It's not ideal weather for a track day, but we're not going to let a little bit of rain stop us. I've got my helmet ready to go. I've given the car a quick check over, the oil, tyre pressures, everything else is all good. Let's go, we'll see you up there.
God, you're ridiculous.
So we're about halfway into our journey. It's been a bit boring so far, it's just a straight road, but the further north we seem to be going, the better the weather seems to be getting. So that's good. It's a lot drier and brighter up here, so let's hope that holds out.
You got it, you got it, you must be, you got it, you got it, you must be. Be or nothing.
So we're almost here. As you can see, the good weather didn't hold out for us, unfortunately. It is pouring down. But we're not going to let it hold us back. Hopefully we'll still have a good day here. Okay, so we've just arrived at the circuit. Let's go inside and get signed on. Hello mate, you alright?
Yeah, how you doing?
Good, thanks. We're here with Purdue Performance,
Yep.
just to sign on.
What's your name, please?
Sean.
Sean. Thanks, Sean. Have you got your licence there, mate,
Yes.
to have a quick look at? Thank you very much. Perfect.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate. Right, just going to get you wristband here. So this is a wristband that you need to show to the marshals when you go onto the circuit.
Lovely.
Pop that on there. And I've also got a sticker for your car as well. What car are you in this evening?
We're in the Abarth 500.
In the Abarth. Lovely. Very nice. Been on track before?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, so sticker for your windscreen here.
Perfect. Just go
So-
to the top, is it, yeah?
Yeah, top left or top right hand corner, whichever you prefer. We've got sighting laps starting in 10 minutes, so if you make your way into the pit lane, we'll do some slow pace familiarisation laps, and then from there, yeah, open pit lane from 5:30.
Great.
All right, enjoy.
Nice one.
Cheers,
Thank
mate. Thank you.
See ya. So there we have it. That was really good fun. Unfortunately, it got a little bit wet near the end, so we did decide to come in. We want to make sure this car gets home in one piece. But next time, hopefully it's dry and we can push it a little bit harder.